Hi besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We're completely opposites, except for when it comes to brands like this. This is a brand that we both like a lot.
Yes. These boxes were $62. They're from Iconic London. I saw that they sent me a text message or an email or something, and I immediately, it was an email. I screenshotted it and sent it to Jen. She immediately said,
Got it. So the thing I think that we like about Iconic London is that they cater to glowy, dewy, hydrated looking skin.
Mm-hmm.
Their cream blushes, their cream, the glowy, highlighty,
and we both,
primers.
Jen leans quite dry. I lean a little dry. So something that helps you look hydrated.
Yes.
Is great on both our opinions. It's got a little pull tabber. Yeah, that's what I thought. Everything's just floating around in here.
There's no cushion.
Stuffing at all. I thought just by the way it was blinging around.
Oh gosh. And mine's in completely different stacked.
So
okay, so this has room for error.
Yeah.
Bear with us.
I have concern. So there's 4 items and some samples. Got some samples of their blurring skin tints.
Yeah, we got to choose these colors.
Yeah, so I got the fair ones, obviously, and Jen got...
I got medium, tan, and tan.
Okay. They gave you 2. Nice.
Oh!
I only got 1.
Okay, so it's on every color that I chose is on a strip,
yeah.
right?
So I got cool fair, neutral fair, and warm fair.
Love that. I can't see. Golden, neutral tan, and warm tan.
So this is not enough to know if I'm going to like the product. It's enough to know what color you're going to need.
So no, I also got, what does that say?
Warm, medium, neutral, medium. So you got a medium and you got a tan.
Okay, so that's where I'm at.
And I got fair. Because I'm ghostly sometimes. All right, where do you want to start?
I mean, let's
start with
Let's get it.
So this is the Prep Set Glow Spray in original. Yeah, you might as well grab the one I have open. So this product is so pretty. It's very pearly. It's prep and set and glow. So use it before your makeup, use it after your makeup, use it later in the day.
It's the same color?
Original?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's really pretty. It's really pearly. Gives you a nice little glowy, dewy. And the sprayer's really nice on this.
I love that stuff. I have used so many of these.
So it's got a little more perfume in it that I would like.
Yeah.
But
it goes away
quickly.
And it leaves you with a beautiful, dewy.
It's a kind of a fresh floral fragrance.
Yeah.
Not really grandma-y.
No. It's not offensive at all.
No. So it's a really nice product. And I'm not sad to have 2.
No way. So this is one of Shannon's. This is Shannon's favorite primer.
If you watched our empties video, which came out the day that we're filming this actually, you'll see that I finished this bottle. I finished this bottle in like record time. This is their Underglow Blurring Primer. It doesn't have a shade name. It's just this beautiful glass bottle. And it's got the slightest amount of tint to it.
I mean, just look at that.
And it leaves you...
Look at that.
Yeah, so pretty. It doesn't have a fragrance.
No.
It smells kind of powdery.
Yes.
And it dries down nice and just gives you kind of this nice pearly, dewy...
Feels so hydrating.
Yeah.
Like, this is like an all by itself. You don't have to do anything more than
This product alone makes the box worth it to me. This product, I think, is $40 on their website.
Wow. And well worth it. I mean, honestly, well worth the price.
This is a product that I use daily, without foundation, without tinted moisturizer or anything. I just put it on and glow, and people are like, "What are you doing? You're glowing." Well, Iconic London.
I love that for you.
Okay.
I'm really excited to see that in the box for you because I know how much you love it. So we have
the Gliding Light Baked Highlighting Palette. Oh, it survived.
Yep, I survived too.
These are pretty.
This is awfully fair for me.
You would probably.
I wouldn't. I would still want darker than that.
Put it on your eyes.
Oh, I could, I guess.
I did not swatch them in order, by the way. So it's just a highlight. That's the one's awful dark for me. I don't think that would be too fair for you.
You don't?
No. Here, you swatch it.
No, actually that is quite pretty. It's quite peachy too.
I could see you using it as a topper.
Yeah,
for a blush.
probably where I would go with that. The other two are exceptionally fair. They're right up your alley though. They look beautiful.
This one is more like an eyeshadow that I would use.
Mm-hmm.
The deeper one. But I'll definitely use the other two as highlights.
Definitely pretty.
And if you were wondering, it is April. Iconic London is cruelty free.
Yay! Mm-hmm. So, can I just say something? And I don't know if maybe
There's their little bunny.
Yay! Look at that. Maybe I'm looking in too deep. If you know that you sent me medium tan complexion products, wouldn't you have adjusted this to accommodate to this?
I think every one of them is exactly the same.
Okay.
I don't think there's any variations. And this might be the only colors they have in this palette.
So I am doing too much in thought.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Just throwing that out there though.
All right, and our final item.
Okay.
This is the Glow Brush 6-piece set. So I think that means there's 5 brushes.
Okay. This is so cute.
Yeah.
I mean, it's nothing special. It's plain and simple, but I love the color. I love the texture. It's one of those that's not, like, if you get something on it, you'll be able to wipe it right off and it'll go away.
Yeah, it's vegan leather, which is... Okay, so these are face brushes. I guess, oh no, there are 6 brushes.
Oh, gosh.
So we got some face brushes, some eye brushes. Did they say on them what they're for? They do not. So use at your own.
Oh, these are so soft. Wow.
Oh, they are. I'm gonna pull them out of there.
I love this pencil brush. It's a little bit bigger than the one I normally use, but I think this is going to be...
I like that for like an
inner corner.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we've got like this. I would use this for foundation.
I would use it for skincare.
That's a good too. This is, I would use this for a blush or a highlight.
I would use it for highlight.
This I probably won't use.
I would never use it for
If I'm using
brush.
this, I'm using it because I want to go light with my highlight, and we all know that I don't.
She can't do it. It's not a thing for her.
No.
She tries.
And this is a contour brush.
I'm going concealer.
Or it's good shape for under the eye. So I would use this for either chiseling in.
Yeah, I see what you're doing.
If I wanted to like do a full on contour.
Yep.
Or that would be good for concealer as well. And then a nice little packing brush.
Absolutely.
This is
in your crease.
Exactly what I like to use for my eyeshadow.
Oh my God, that's huge. That's much. I would use it in my crease and then blend it out.
Oh, I will use this for every color.
Okay.
Go big
We're
or go
so
home.
different.
And then this little pencil brush, and I would use this for inner corner, or if I want to do like a smudgy under eye, I use a pencil brush for that.
I do too, but that's big for
It's a pretty big pencil.
under, yeah.
No.
No?
So these are nice.
They're very nice.
This is nice and firm too. I don't know if you touched it.
No, not this one. I didn't. Oh, sure.
So it would be really good for smudging under eye because you can get it exactly where you want it.
Yeah. These are super nice. I've never had an Iconic
I've never
London
had
brush.
Iconic London brushes, but now I'm not mad that I do.
No. They're awfully white, so you're going to have to wash them.
They'll be black in a week.
Gonna have to wash them often.
Or they'll just sit there looking pretty.
Or, yeah. Yeah, you have options here.
I've got a billion brushes.
So what do you think of your box?
So, I am not going to lie. I feel like this box was a little bit overpriced.
I was gonna say I'm a little underwhelmed.
I'm whelmed. I think it was a little overpriced, but I think we got good quality products that are usable for most people.
Yeah.
However, if your skin tone were any deeper, that highlight would be too fair for you. The darkest highlight would be too fair. And I don't know that Iconic London has the largest range of colors on anything. They do very natural beauty.
Yes.
Very natural, very dewy beauty. So this might be the only option of highlight that they even offer.
Okay.
I can't be sure.
Well, I guess the thing that throws me off is it says right on it that it is, no, it doesn't.
No,
I'm
it
lying.
doesn't.
I thought it said light fair.
Nope. It says gliding light.
Okay, so you're right. It may very well be the only thing that they offer. I love this box. This and this alone
Both really good products.
are products that I am crazy about. Yeah. This is going to be fun to try.
They feel really nice. So we definitely got our money's worth.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Do I feel like we could have gotten another product? Do I feel like if they were going to let us choose a color of this, that they could have gave us like a deluxe mini instead of some foil packets?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Especially for the price.
Yeah. So we got our money's worth. I can't be mad at it for that reason. I just feel like they could have done a little more.
Yeah.
I feel like our last box
was good for the same price.
Was it the same price or was it $55? I don't know.
I mean, I'm thinking it was, within a few dollars.
Close to the same price.
But it was really good.
Yeah.
And we got more things.
I feel like we got more.
I'm wondering if the brushes are...
They're probably expensive.
Expensive, and that was what they were thinking.
They're good products, though. They're very usable products, so...
And they're our style. It's our style.
Yeah.
So it's a win no matter how you look at it.
You do a little more natural highlight, and I think that'll be perfect for that for you. And these I can definitely build a little bit to do what I want to do. And I'll probably try this one on my eyes. And these are both...
Always a good. Always a win. Yeah.
And who doesn't love good brushes?
The white part scares me.
It is, whatever.
I'm a little heavy-handed for white brushes.
You saw my eyeshadow brushes.
Yeah. I'm heavy-handed. She just likes dark colors, so this could be interesting.
These brushes are gonna look hideous, but they feel nice.
They're beautiful.
I'm excited to try them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you get this box? Were you underwhelmed or just whelmed?
If it's still available, we will link the link.
As of today, you're going to see this in a few days, but as of today, it is still available.
Okay.
So
if you want it, go get it.
It's good. It is good.
It is good. Yeah.
Let us know what you think. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring the ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
We will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.